So today we're talking about Streamyard. Yeah, Streamyard. Let's start with the video. Hey Real Fam, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Nthabi and this is Real Talk with Nthabi, a channel where you can expect everything empowerment and transformation. So I believe you clicked on this video mainly because you wanted to find out more about Streamyard. So I'm going to share that with you. First of all, Streamyard is a broadcast on your browser that can connect through some social media platforms. So those include Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and all your Facebook pages and groups you can connect. Even on your personal Facebook page you can connect. All right, so that is Streamyard in just a nutshell. Now you're probably wondering, can I just use Streamyard without needing to pay anything? And right. So Streamyard has three versions. So it has the free version, and then it has a basic plan and a professional plan. So the free version allows you to record for 20 hours. Yes, 20 hours. If you exceed your 20 hours, it means that you won't be able to use Streamyard anymore. You would need to upgrade it to a basic or a professional. Now, you're probably wondering, so this free one, what does it include? So the free version allows you to go live, and unfortunately you cannot use your own personal logo. You will have the Streamyard logo on the side because it's a free version. So it allows you to somehow obviously change the banners, the colors and everything, but it does not allow you to really stream on like a lot of platforms. You can stream on just 2 platforms. So that's the limitation. And then when it gets to the basic one, so I'll make an example with me. I used the free version and then I exceeded my 20 hours. And immediately I upgraded to the basic plan. So the basic plan, you pay about $20 per month. And you also have an advantage of paying it for like the whole year, which they give you a discount. You end up maybe, let's say it's $25 actually per month. But if you decide you want to pay for like the entire year, you're gonna be discounted and pay $20 multiplied by 12, right? So that's how it works. And it also upgrades in terms of you being able to stream on multiple platforms, like more platforms. So it won't be 2 anymore. You will connect to 3 more platforms. So you can connect immediately on YouTube, Facebook, like maybe not Instagram, but maybe 2 Facebook pages all at once. So you can do that. All right, that's something that you need to note. And then we have the professional one. Well, I won't really talk too much about the professional one, but what I know is the professional one, it enables the Instagram feature as well. You will be able to probably stream on Instagram as well, because on the basic one you don't have that. But there's so much advantage on the basic, because that is what I'm currently using right now, because you can even use your own logo and you can just upload just about anything, use nice banners and all that. All right, but of course I'm going to show you all of that. I'm not going to go all yada yada and not show you how it's done. So should we do that? I think we should. How about that? Let's do this. All right, join me here. Streamyard. Now what happens here is that immediately when you come to the browser and search for Streamyard, this is the page that you're going to see. So you have the option to get started, you have the option to log in, right? So obviously for you to get started, this is when you start creating your account, and it will send you a code as to which email you want the code to be sent to, and it will give you all the steps. So now that I have an account, I'm just going to log in and show you how it basically works. All right, so I'm going to quickly put in my email address, and what it does is sends you a code that you'll have to access on your email addresses, right? On your email account, for example. Now that code, immediately when you get it, you put it there. Okay, what happened there? So once you've entered the code, then you get straight to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Now, destinations, this is where you are able to put your destinations. Like for example, you have the option to put a Facebook page, Facebook group, a profile, LinkedIn, you know, events, and a YouTube, right? So these are the current available on the basic plan, mind you, all right? So that's what you need to take note of. And you can obviously, when you immediately choose what? Facebook or LinkedIn, it will connect. You will have to connect using Facebook. So once you are logged in on your Facebook, you can just connect. Just as easy as that, right? So once you've created those destinations, because you choose which one do you want, right? You can add as many as you want depending on what you are offered there, right? And then what's next? So once that is done, you've got what we called upcoming broadcast, past broadcast. So all of this are broadcasts that I actually have done before. And since I've done all of this, then these are the past ones that I've done, okay? I even have the option to download the recording. How cool is that? Like, I feel like that's super awesome because you can even download and chop it if you feel like you want to share it on other social media platforms, or even maybe redo a video or a shorter video for your channel. So that is super cool. Now, how do you create or how do you go live? So I'll make an example. Immediately when you create a broadcast, it will show you this couple of options. So you have the option to connect using this is my YouTube channel, this is my personal Facebook, this is my page, my Facebook, my Facebook page, yes. So you'll notice that if I try to click the fourth one, it doesn't go through because I can only do this for 3 destinations. If not, I'll have to click here and upgrade. And now remember what I told you earlier. So the free version is how much? The free version allows you to just stream and obviously this limited stream, right? And then you get to pay $25. Now, because I only am able to stream through 3 platforms, if I want to upgrade and do more streams, I'll have to choose this professional plan. And at this very moment, I think I'll stick to my current plan, which is the basic plan. So the professional one, I'll check you later. All right, let's go back. Now, where were we? So we were on these 3 platforms. So you can choose to go live on 3 platforms. Now, I'll just call this Streamyard test. So your description as well, you can put whatever. So you have an option to schedule the video for later, and you even have an option to even upload. If, for example, you upload a banner, you can just apply it there from your laptop and all of that. You can even change the pictures. That's nice. You can set it whichever way you want. Scheduling, anything, we can decide to just go live. And then when you go live, it will identify that, okay, so you want to go live on all these 3 platforms, and then it takes you there. So we're entering the broadcast right about now. You can now put the topic as to what the topic is all about. So you can just say is Streamyard. You can check all the is it gonna be mute? Do you want to turn off the video? Do you want to make sure that you add another camera and all of that? So we are not yet on using other cameras and all that, so we just use one camera. So we can't connect other cameras, but the mic, we can connect the mic. So immediately when you put in the mic, it will automatically pick it up. All right, so when you enter the broadcast, this is what you probably see. But if obviously you haven't set your backgrounds and everything, you won't see that. So right here is some of the banners that you can include. Like for example, you will see this logo. So this StreamYard logo, that's the one that appears on the free version. But because now I'm on a basic version, I can have my own logos and change them whichever one, how I want. So because my background is a bit lighter, you won't see the logos coming out nicely, right? And I can even play videos and just play around with, 30 seconds video that I can upload just to make the video more interesting and all right. So that's what you can do, and you have the options to even play around with how, okay, let me put my picture there. Yay, that's me. That's me right there. Don't look at my house. That's me right here. So I can use all the different platforms, right? So that's basically what I can use. So you can choose whichever one. You can even change colors here. You can choose whichever color you want to use, whether you want it to be white, black, purple. It don't matter, honey. It don't matter. It's all up to you. And yeah, so once you have all of that, then you're all good. You even have the option to like put a call to action there where you ask people to subscribe, just a little message, or even if you're doing a video about something that can be of importance to someone, you can do all of that. Okay, alrighty. So that's basically that. That's basically that about the StreamYard. This is how it works. It really is great. The comment section, you can just comment, and obviously I'm not live, okay? Like for example, depending on what banner you decide to use, you can even have nice comments coming out like that. Look, how cool is that? How cool is that? It's super beautiful. I love this one more. So you can play around with just about any design that you want. So that's the cool thing about it. So that's why I love it anyway. So yeah, and yeah, this is where people comment, and then you can basically share the comment on the screen so that you can see it. I like it. I think it's actually quite cool. So I enjoy doing that. So yeah, and then what do? You go live. So I'm not gonna click go live because it means it's gonna go live like for real. So I'm not gonna go live, but basically that is it. Once you've set everything, you're done. So instead, I'm just not gonna go live. I'm just going to exit, and because I'm not gonna need this test, I'm just gonna delete it. So you can delete it on YouTube so that it doesn't appear anymore. You get my point? So, and then we done. So just like that, we are done. It's quite easy, hey? It's quite easy. So my suggestion is that you try it out. This is not sponsored, but I'm plugging you because this is a platform that I'm using and I'm enjoying. It's super fun and it's super easy. You don't even need some technical skill to actually do it. It was like so easy, right? So another thing that you have to take note is that you do not even have to have like 1,000 subscribers to start using StreamYard. You can start it even if you have 100 subscribers, whether you have 50 subscribers, you can use it, okay? So with that said, I hope that you enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, give me a like, give me some love, share it with someone that might need it, and yeah, let YouTube recommend it to more people because your girl is gonna be known by a lot of YouTubers. That's what I want. I want growth. I want to give value to more and more of my audience. And my regulars, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always being supportive and joining the lives and making sure that we engage even when you do it. So yeah, and of course the new ones, I love and appreciate you. Thank you. Please stay in this family and yeah, feel the love, because the love here is amazing. And yeah, love you always. Until the next video or live, I love you.